Hi guys, this is Bricks again, back with another video for Hitlights. Today we'll be troubleshooting our Eclipse kits. So these Eclipse kits would come with 3 1-footer strips or 4 1-footer strips, depending on the type of that kit. So sometimes it's 4 pieces of 1-footer strips and sometimes it's 3 pieces of 1-footer strips. But technically they come with a 21 key remote and a power adapter. So most of the time, the issues with these Eclipse kits that customer experience are they're not lighting up the correct way, or one out of the 3 strips is not lighting up correctly. So that's the most common issue that these are actually facing, or sometimes customer experience. So if you notice, these are lighting up correctly. I only have 2 strips plugged in right now, but I just want to put focus on these arrow keys or arrow markings on the strips and on the connectors themselves. So if you notice, there are writing on the strips. There is an arrow pointing outwards, and then BRG. BRG is the color channels of the strip. So that just stands for blue, red, and green. But the arrow is actually the power line. So the way these strips work is they have to be facing each of those channels correctly. But sometimes, since these are 4 pin connectors on each end of the strip, there are tendencies where these strips are actually plugged in the wrong way. So if I can demonstrate that, since they can go either way, since they're 4 pin connectors, you can actually plug them not facing the correct channels. So when that happens, one of these 2 strips would not light up, or most of the time it would actually display a different color on the strip. So if we can plug this right now and turn the power on. So if you can notice that on the purple, the red is still on, just faintly, but it's still on. So the red is still on that. The reason being is that strip is actually plugged incorrectly. So if one of your strips is not displaying the correct output, it is most likely that it is plugged incorrectly. So we just need to switch that up or inverse the connection or flip it, anyway how to say it, and it will display the correct color, technically fixing that issue. Okay, so I hope that helps. I'm just showing you the colors right now that are correct. Should display the correct outputs. So I hope that helps you when you are trying to install these Eclipse kits. Just make sure that the arrow keys are facing the same way, and that goes similarly for the 1-foot extension cables that they come with. So just make sure that they are facing the same channels or the same arrow. If we inverse that, which is very easy to do, we'll run into the same issue of either one strip is not lighting up or very faintly outputting the incorrect color. Right? Hope that helps. This is Bricks again from Hitlights. Have a good one. Stay safe.